Thanks, Sarah. And it is really I who am always learning. So it's my pleasure to be here with you today and to present to you the most recent project that has come out of what we call the Space Lab at VCU. And this is a project, as you'll see at the end, that was funded by the Wallace Foundation, who has funded so many of the research projects that you'll hear about in the next, or that you've heard about today and will continue to hear about tomorrow. This particular project was an idea that I developed in conjunction with Lucy and Sarah, actually. And the goal here was that big goal of trying to really solidify the existence of sensory modulation disorder as a standalone diagnosis. And if you've listened to the other talks today, you know that there's lots and lots of information coming from many different facets of research that are really supporting the existence of this disorder as a standalone diagnosis. This particular study was a pilot study to look at methodology that could be used to do differential diagnosis of kids who had sensory issues and kids who had sensory issues along with some other problems. Just to give you a background, which you may or may not need, we start with this big umbrella term of sensory processing disorders. And there's been some discussion of terminology over the last 2 days because much of the research that's been done, and if you heard Dr. Marco earlier,